I'm here with my Bonne Maman Advent Calendar, and today is day 7. Let's see what's behind door number 7. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So here's door number 7. It's near the top of the calendar. And we have Peach Jasmine Flower spread. That sounds really interesting. I've never had jasmine flowers before. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a peach jam. Let's taste it. So I'm mostly tasting peach. I'm not really getting a whole lot of jasmine flower, but it definitely has some undertones to it. Like, it's not straight peach, but I don't really know how to describe them. It's not very floral. I'm not tasting like a whole lot of floral flavors. I'm mostly just tasting peach. Today I'm going to make a pork chop in my Dash egg bite maker. I just plugged it in. The blue light is on. Once the blue light goes off, then I could put my pork chop in the appliance. So the blue light just went off, and now I'm going to add my pork chop. This is a thin center cut pork chop, so it should fit. It's a perfect fit. I'll be back in about 5 minutes. So it's been almost 10 minutes now. Let's see what's going on inside of this egg bite maker. So this is what the pork chop looks like. Let's flip it over. There's so much water on the bottom of this egg bite maker. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of gray and white, and it might be done. I'm gonna grab it. And let's cut into this and let's see if it's pink inside. So that's what it looks like. It looks like it's totally cooked. I don't see any pink. I just tested it with my instant thermometer, and the temperature was 150, which is more than the 145 needed for cooking pork. So I'm just gonna let it rest a minute, and then I am going to enjoy it with the Peach Jasmine Flower fruit spread. So I'm adding the fruit spread, and it's going to act as like a glaze. Like a peach glaze for this pork chop. So I did not season the pork chop because I really want the flavor of the fruit spread to be pronounced. But of course you can season pork chops any way that you like to. I did add a little bit of salt. Let's see how this tastes. That is really good. So a pork chop with peach jam reminds me so much of lamb with mint jelly. This is a really good combination. So the pork chop itself probably could have been cooked maybe a minute or two less. I think maybe 8 minutes would have been a really good cooking time for it, but I don't like taking chances with pork. I'd rather cook it a little bit longer than undercook it. But it's very good. It's not tough. It's still juicy. And it tastes really good with this fruit spread. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else is in this Bonne Maman Advent Calendar. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and a very happy holiday season.